When it comes to increasing the appeal and value of a home, many homeowners focus on interior renovations, landscaping, or even adding extra square footage. However, one often overlooked yet highly effective way to enhance the beauty and worth of a property is through residential outdoor lighting. Particularly in Frisco, where real estate is booming and competition is fierce, outdoor lighting can provide that extra touch of elegance that sets your home apart. Here's how residential outdoor lighting can boost your home's value and appeal. Aesthetic appeal and curb appeal. First impressions are everything, and when potential buyers approach your property, the exterior is the first thing they see. Residential outdoor lighting can enhance your home's curb appeal, making it more inviting and warm. Whether you choose to illuminate the front porch, walkway, or highlight specific architectural features, outdoor lighting adds a layer of sophistication that can make your home stand out in the neighborhood. In Frisco, where many properties feature modern or traditional architectural styles, accent lighting can bring out the best in the home's design. You can emphasize the textures of your brickwork, stonework, or wood accents, or simply illuminate your landscaping features like gardens and trees. The right lighting can transform your yard into an enchanting outdoor space, creating a memorable first impression that makes your home more attractive to prospective buyers. Safety and security benefits. In addition to aesthetics, residential outdoor lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the safety and security of your home. Frisco is known for its family-friendly atmosphere, and security is a top priority for many residents. Properly lit driveways, walkways, and entryways reduce the risk of accidents by improving visibility during the nighttime hours. This makes navigating around your home safer for both residents and visitors. Outdoor lighting can also serve as a deterrent to potential intruders. Homes that are brightly lit around the perimeter are less likely to be targeted by burglars or vandals. Motion sensor lighting around the driveway or along the fence line can add an extra layer of security without the need for constant illumination, conserving energy and reducing utility costs. For potential buyers, this added sense of security could be a deciding factor when choosing between several properties. Expanding living space. Residential outdoor lighting also helps expand your home's living space beyond the walls. In Frisco, where the warm climate allows for outdoor enjoyment year-round, enhancing your backyard or patio with strategic lighting can make your outdoor spaces feel like an extension of the home itself. Outdoor lighting can create cozy ambiance for evening gatherings, making your backyard an ideal location for hosting friends and family. Whether it's a string of fairy lights in the trees, lantern-style lights along a pathway, or spotlights highlighting your garden, lighting can help make these outdoor areas functional and inviting even after the sun sets. This added versatility and functionality can be a significant selling point for potential buyers who are looking for a home that offers not only a beautiful interior but also outdoor spaces that can be enjoyed at all times of the day. By installing well-designed outdoor lighting, you're essentially increasing the usable square footage of your property. Energy efficiency and smart technology. Modern outdoor lighting systems often incorporate energy-efficient features, such as LED lights or solar-powered fixtures, which can significantly reduce energy consumption. Smart outdoor lighting systems, which allow homeowners to control lighting remotely through a smartphone or other devices, are also becoming increasingly popular. These systems can be set to automatically turn on and off at designated times, allowing for greater convenience and further savings on energy costs. For eco-conscious buyers, homes that feature energy-efficient outdoor lighting solutions can be a major selling point. These systems contribute to a lower carbon footprint and demonstrate a commitment to sustainable living, an increasingly important factor for many homeowners today. Conclusion: residential outdoor lighting in Frisco is more than just a decorative feature. It's a smart investment that can increase the value of your home. Whether through enhancing curb appeal, improving safety, expanding your living space, or adding energy-efficient features, the right lighting can make a lasting impact on prospective buyers. As the demand for high-quality homes continues to rise in Frisco, outdoor lighting provides a simple yet effective way to make your property stand out in the competitive real estate market. So, if you're looking to elevate your home's value and attract more buyers, consider the transformative power of residential outdoor lighting.